Let's do this one, sir. Let's go.
Can you see us?
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me well?
Yes, we can, Judge.
All right, we'll go ahead and call the county court. Will come to order. This is the County Court of Hill County sitting in probate matters. This is cause number PR15730 to the matter of the estate of Joe Rittenbaugh, the deceased. Is the applicant ready to proceed?
We're ready, Judge.
Right. Let me go ahead and swear in your witness. You
Yes,
raise your right hand for me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Right. Counsel, you proceed.
Okay. Lisa, I'd ask that you speak loud enough where the judge can hear the responses to my questions, okay?
Okay.
State your full name, please.
Lisa Rittenbaugh.
Okay, and you have filed this application to probate the written will of your husband, Joe Rittenbaugh, is that correct?
Correct.
And Mr. Rittenbaugh passed away on January the 4th, 2025 at Mount Com in Hill County, Texas, at the age of 57 years, is that correct?
That's correct.
At the time that he passed away, that he was a resident of Hill County, is that right? And the principal part of his property was located in Hill County, is that correct?
Correct.
He left a valid will, which we have sent the original to the court, and it was dated December the 11th, 2024. And I'll show you a copy of the will that we have here, and to the best of your knowledge, is that Joe's signature on the will? Okay.
Yes.
And after the will was written, the will was never revoked, is that correct?
Correct.
And there was no children born or adopted by him after the will was written, is that correct?
Correct.
And there was no marriage that was dissolved after the will was written, is that correct?
Right.
In the will, you're named to serve as the independent executor of the estate without bond, and you're not disqualified, and by that, I mean that you've never been convicted of a felony in this state or any other state, is that correct?
Correct.
Okay. And there's no state, governmental agency of the state or charitable organization that's named by the will as the devil. In other words, you're the sole beneficiary, is that correct?
Yes.
And also the will is made self-approved in a manner prescribed by law. And the subscribing witnesses to the will are Betty Allen and Mary Bell Ramirez, who worked for me, and they still work for me. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Last but not least, then you're asking the court today to sign an order admitting the will to probate and to appoint you as the independent executors of the estate.
Correct.
Correct? Judge, that's all we have, sir.
All right. I don't have any questions of witness. Just to be sure we're all talking about the same document, I see submitted to court the last will and testimony in the name of Joe Rittenbaugh. It appears to be stamped by the county clerk in the top right corner, and it is 5 pages long with Benji Reed as the notary. Is that the same document?
It is, Your Honor.
Right. Okay, after reviewing the application and hearing the testimony, court will order the will is hereby proved, established, admitted probate, and recorded as the will of Joe Rittenbaugh, the deceased, and that Lisa Faith Rittenbaugh be and hereby appointed independent executor of the will and estate without bond. The court will issue letters of testamentary upon the will and estate of Joe Rittenbaugh, deceased, to Miss Lisa Rittenbaugh. Do you have any? Do you know how many letters you'd like to have, sir?
5, Judge.
5 letters. All right. Is there anything else the court can do for you today, sir?
No, Judge, we have sent the order over previously, and so now she just needs to sign the proof of death and other facts and the oath, and then send it in to the clerk. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, sir. That's all we have.
Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.